We saw the video statements made by Zaldico, tatlo na sila, or apat na ba? Anyway, you've had already several, implicating, among others, of course, President Bongbong Marcos. But at the same time, earlier this week, si Senator Ping Lacson, no, I'm sorry, former Yusek Bernardo through Ping Lacson, basically said na the buck stops with the Bersamins and the Olaybar and Amena Pangandaman, and hindi raw umaabot yung liability or accountability kay Pangulong Marcos. I'm wondering lang if that to you is acceptable or if there's more to you that meets the eye.
Well, it depends on two things, no? How transparent we are, and as I've mentioned, until we actually see the evidence, because yung ano po, yung sinabi ni Saldi ko is video evidence. We cannot put too much yet on that until it comes with something clearer.
Apo.
And the statement of Senator Lacson, although I don't think he's a lying person, we also don't know that. That's just a statement. So we are really calling on government in this process. Let's be transparent. When the cases are being held, we want a nationally televised, open set of trials so the people themselves can look at the evidence and that judge that evidence as well. Finally, aside from talking about how transparent is transparent, we also want to know how accountable is accountable because the president signed the budget.
Opo.
Right.
That is a different level of accountability, but nonetheless, that is, I think, he has to be held accountable for that ayuda budget.
Kumbaga, last touch.
Oh, at saka kumbaga, at the very least, best case scenario for him, it's negligence, di ba? He could just say, hindi ko alam na nagyari ito. But as Ed always says, that's also not good.
Yes.
Right? So,
Kasi ma'am, hindi lang po sa Bakura, nasa front yard niya, yung mga taong pinag-resign.
Opo. And alam niyo po, what we are also decrying is that when one scandal happens, we forget previous scandals and previous things we want to hold accountable. I'm also po a medical doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yung dinero budget po nila yung PhilHealth doon sa budget na yun, ha?
Opo. Yes,
So,
ma'am, I remember.
the transfer of so much money to what we believe was really for the ayuda funds, which were used for making themselves pretty during the election, that one should also not be forgotten. And there is also, if you don't mind my saying, my group Tindig Pilipinas, several of us filed the first impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. So,
The December one.
again, yes. So what do we say when we mean holding people accountable? Sa Trillion Peso March movement po, we see November 30, our big rally, as just one of the milestones of what we're trying to do. We're talking about furthering that as a movement for bigger accountability and perhaps proposing laws that might have helped us reform our very badly managed political system.